Gusto niyo bang bigyan ng birthday party ang anak niyo pero busy kayo? Pero ang budget niyo ay hindi aabot ng 20,000 pesos. Nako, 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 nako. You came into the right place. Ito ay base sa aking karanasan. By the way, hindi to promotional video or paid ad. Ito ay galing sa experience ko, binayaran naming mag-asawa ang party ng anak ko. So, nung December 2, 2023, last year, we threw a birthday party for our 2-year-old daughter at McDonald's Gaisano Mall, Toril, here in Davao City. So, magtatanong ka kung magkano ang nagastos namin? Hindi umabot ng 20,000 pesos.
Wow.
Alam niyo kung magkano? Mga around 17 to 18,000 pesos lang.
Wow.
At inclusive na lahat. Party decors, ang host, ang mascot, ang pagkain. Inclusive na doon. So, kung gusto mong bigyan ng masaya at magandang party ang anak mo, try mo sa McDo dahil sa halagang 20,000 below ay makakapag-party ka na for your one and only. So, ilang persons ba sa McDonald's Gmall Toril? Ang kanilang capacity doon sa kanilang function hall ay 60 persons lang dahil ni-renovate nila from 100 down to 60. Pero worth it naman ng 20,000 kasi may kasama pa palang invitations. May kasama pang theme which is we chose Coco Melon. So, tingnan nyo na lang yung video kung ano yung setup and decors. So, lalagay ko ang screen or link after this video. By the way, thank you for watching. This is Mommy Riz David here, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit this video a thumbs up and leave a comment and share this video if you think this would help you. TY! Until the next vlog!